Pikachu, I choose you!
Pikachu!
Hey, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So today I will show you some simple steps to draw Pikachu. If you follow me on Instagram, then you already know that I did a poll on it, and if you don't follow me on Instagram or FB page, links are in the description box, you can check there. Here I am going to use watercolor, but you can also use oil pastel or pencil colors, and you will find the names of the equipments in the description. So let's start the video. So our Pikachu is ready and it is really easy to draw. Definitely try it and tag me on Instagram. I will share it on my story. So that's it for today guys. See you in my next video. Till then, spread love and peace. Bye bye.